What is up, you guys? I'm here today to show you how I put on my custom press-ons. So we're gonna go ahead and get these out the way, and it is time to prep my nails. So what I'm going to start out doing first is not using the e-file to prep my nails. I most definitely forgot in the rush and excited to get these on. I am going to use my pusher to push back my cuticles. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Once I get done with this, I'm going to go ahead and grab my nippers to clip away all this dead skin that I have. And I have so much dead skin on my nails because I wash my hands so much and I do not moisturize, and I need to get better at doing that. But meantime, I'm going to go ahead and clip on all this away, and yeah. Y'all might not be able to tell by the way I'm just clipping everything away, but I hate using nippers. Like, my anxiety kicks in and I'll be terrified that I'm gonna clip too close and I'm just gonna be bleeding everywhere. But I gotta have faith in myself, and I just gotta get it done. But I'm telling you, oh my goodness, my nerves be going crazy doing this. I really hate this part, but at the end, you got to do this because it makes a whole difference on how to press on the application period. Like, if I was putting acrylic on, it makes a whole difference on how the nail just looks, and it just gives it that chef's kiss. So it has to be done. But I noticed that I need to push it back a little bit more because I still have some more dead skin. I'm telling you, dead skin be going crazy. So I use my pusher again so everything can be all tight and needy. And of course, with all the dead and dry skin, I have the good old hangnails. So me clipping hangnails away and just, getting that prep right. Okay, now that I got that all finished up, I'm going to sweep this up, wipe this up, and move on now to my e-filing with my buffer that I was just such in a rush to do in the beginning. Now, the purpose of me using the e-file above my nails is just to take the little top layer of shine away and to, get a little closer into the grooves near my cuticles and get that stuff away. So when I put on the base coat, it will adhere to my nail, a little bit better, because, we want a maximum adhesion. So, it lasts longer. I apologize for me being in and out the frame, but trying to get these angles right is, something serious. But if I do say so myself, for me to be using my left hand, which is not my dominant hand, I do pretty well of getting the job done. And I'm proud of myself for that. Okay, so I'm done with that, and now I'm going to use my little hand buffer to get the little spots that I see that I didn't hit, but I'm not trying to, hit it again with the e-files. I'm not trying to overfile my nails. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and dust that off and to move on to applying one layer of base coats. You really don't have to apply base coat when you put on your press-ons, but I like to put it on because it saves my real nail from getting all torn up and stuff from applying the nail glue. Actually thinking about it, I think applying the base coat helps it stay longer and the adhesion stay, really, stay tacky. And I need all the help, especially with these long behind nails, because you don't know how much they are in the way. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to buff the shine off. And when you put base coat on, it's like oily substance left over, so I'm gonna buff that off, and it also will help with the adhesion. Okay, now on to the next step, and that is getting some isopropyl alcohol and wiping my nails down. Now, if you see my little thing act like it did not want to work, I'm just about to say, no, you're not acting up just because I'm trying to film. But anyways, I had to go ahead, saw how I took that off, and had to keep going on with the process. So had to, I don't want to say ghetto fire, but I guess it's gonna get the job done. Now I'm gonna get some alcohol and wipe down the back of the nails so I can get all the putty from the back of the nails and any residue I might have back there, so I can get maximum adhesion. Okay, now since I got all that off, it's time for the best part. It's time to put the nails on. And with the first swipe, I could just feel my inner bad bitch activating. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all do not know how ecstatic I was to be finally applying these nails. And to talk about these nails, if y'all did not see my previous video of me doing the designs of these nails, y'all need to go check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put that link up there so you can go ahead and watch it. But finish watching this one first, then you can go watch that one. I'm also gonna do you a favor and put the link at the end as well, so you don't have to do all that scrolling. You're welcome. We are almost halfway done with this hand, and my inner, oh my goodness, I don't know, but when you go get your nails done and you just feel like you finna just start acting brand new, because why not? And do you see this length? Do you see this? This is a whole nother level. Like, it was a whole nother level for me. I have not ever had my nails this long, and I was just really loving it. It was whole giving Freddy Krueger, but I didn't even care because the design, it's just look at it. I'm just feeling myself. Yes, I had to make the clicking noise and all that. I was just loving it. Look at them. Look at them. Tell me they not fire. Tell me. Because if you tell me that, I know you're hating. But it's okay. Hate on. Now to the other hand, and I couldn't put this nail glue, and it couldn't bond any faster because I had to get the whole feeling. It had to just come on. Just watching this is getting me all excited again, like I'm putting the nails on again. And I'm over here stuttering and everything. I can't even get the words out because I'm just so ecstatic of just knowing how these nails just it's just an experience that you have to experience. I can't even say anything. I don't know. If you have made it this far in the video, I'm going to say thank you for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit me if you would like you a custom pair of nails. I can do any length from extra long, extra long, which these are, to little miniature nails. Like, I know all the girls can work with these long behind nails, so I most definitely can cater to every nail length girly out there. So hit me. And we are down to the last one. The activation is almost fully activated. Y'all, we have made it. That bitch is fully activated. Look at these. Look at them. Yes. Well, again, I thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and go watch the video of me actually designing these nails. See ya.